Girls, welcome back to math. It is Tuesday, and I am going to be really honest with you about something. I have been avoiding the open number line, but now that I know how to do it, I think it's going to be the easiest way for you. For some of you, I should say. Okay? So I am going to go over the open number line with you today because I think it's important that you know all of the different ways to do something, and even if you're scared to try it, you should. Okay? Because I was scared to try it. And now I'm going to show you what I learned and how I'm going to probably pick that way to use to solve, because it is quite fun too, actually. So this problem says Miss Stone students work in the school garden. They plant 267 beet plants and 278 onion plants. What is the total number of plants? We are adding, okay? I have my answers under here, and I'm going to have this sheet attached to our lesson today to help you so that you can remember. But I want to show you first how to do it, because I'm pretty sure even parents, if they are helping you or sitting near you, it's confusing. And I was not taught this way. I'm sure some of our other friends weren't either. And so I want to make sure we all are on the same page, okay? So we are adding. So I am going to first make a number line. I am not going to know where it ends because I don't know what 267 plus 278 is. When we subtract, we did know where we ended because we were taking away from the biggest number. This time we don't know where we're going to end. What I do know is that I am going to start with the biggest number because that's the fewest jumps that I'll have to make. So I'm starting at 278. Okay? I am adding 267. And I like to put that at the top because I cross things out as I go. I am a person who likes to stay organized and make sure I have the answer correct. So I am going to be a mathematician and put what I am adding up here. 278 plus 267. I'm going to start with the hundreds when I add. I'm going to add 2 hundreds, and those are big jumps, right? So this is plus 200. I'm going to cross out my 2 because I'm done with that. 278 plus 200 is 478. Okay? Now I need to do 6 tens. I'm going to make my line longer. Just never know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put an end mark there. I'm adding 6 tens. That seems tricky. I'm going to write my numbers underneath each one so that I can make sure that I have the right number. 478 plus 10, 488 plus 10, 498 plus 10, 508 plus 10, 518 plus 10, 528 plus 10, 538. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I added 6 tens, crossed it out. All I have left is 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this was plus 60, and this is plus 7. Okay, all I'm going to do here, boys and girls, is count on 7 from 538. Okay, 538. Well, I know 7 and 7 is 14, so 8 and 7 must be 15. But that means I have to carry a 1 and take away to make a new 10. So I think 545 is the answer. I'm going to count down just to make sure. 538, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 545 using the open number line. And then I'm going to cross off my 7. What is the total number of plants? And here's my answer, guys. okay? You can ignore this over here because I wanted to make sure, and that's the way that I wanted to make sure. 545 plants. Today, I want you to try that. I want you to try open number line, okay? Then, down here, it says there's a box of foam shapes in the art room. 356 squares and 304 circles. Which problem down here shows how many foam shapes there are in all? Which one of these is going to help get the total? And then it says Dean here, he picked A. How did he get that? Okay, so I want you to do this problem today, number 3, on a piece of paper, or I even put this one as a link to Seesaw and on the plans for today. So if you want to try it or print it out on your own at home, you can do it. All right, I can't wait to see what you get. Nice job listening today. Thank you. Bye-bye.